Hey Tesla owners, Bob Wheeler, president here at Airstream. Welcome to Airstream. I'm really sorry I couldn't be there today. Roy, my apologies. Would have loved to meet up with the group and nerd out about our Teslas. For the group, you may know this, I'm on my second Model S, the 100D. I didn't get the P, all right, so don't lord that over me, but love the car. It's been a great experience for me. Yeah, so you'll see a lot of interesting stuff at Airstream, kind of old school manufacturing in some ways, but a really modern brand in others. So enjoy your time. You may hear a little bit about our efforts to develop products that are ideally suited for being towed by EVs. We rolled out last January a product called Airstream, which is battery-powered chassis with drive motors on the axles, really designed to supplement the range of your tow vehicle, your EV, or any tow vehicle really, but it's really aimed at the electric vehicles, especially the big trucks that are coming out now with EV platforms like the Ford F-150 Lightning and Rivian and Cybertruck and whatnot. So pretty innovative, made a big splash. Now we're just trying to figure out how to make the thing. Anyway, appreciate you making your way to Airstream in Jackson Center. Enjoy your time there, and Roy, let's catch up after you guys are done. So thanks.